In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Yahoo Web search history. By the end, you'll know how to review your past searches, remove specific items you no longer want saved, and completely wipe your search history if you're ready for a fresh start. First, open your preferred web browser and go to https://search.yahoo.com history. This is the dedicated page where Yahoo lists searches tied to your profile. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so Yahoo can show the history associated with your account. Once the page loads, take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct account, especially if you use more than one. You'll see a timeline or list of your recent search queries. If the page looks empty, that simply means there's nothing currently saved to clear. If you only want to remove certain searches, scroll through the list and look for the trash bin icon next to each entry. Click that icon next to any specific search you want to remove. In many cases, the item disappears immediately. Sometimes you may be asked to confirm. This is a great option if you want to tidy up a few entries without losing everything else. Keep in mind that once you delete an individual entry, it's typically gone for good, so double-check before you click. If the list doesn't refresh right away, give the page a moment or reload it to see the updated view. If you prefer to start fresh and remove everything at once, look for a button labeled Clear History or Clear All on the page. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your version or region, but it will be clearly indicated as the option to erase all saved searches. Click it, and when the confirmation prompt appears, confirm that you want to proceed. This action removes every entry from your Yahoo search history for a complete reset. Because this is a global change tied to your account, it applies across devices where you use Yahoo search while signed in. It's also generally irreversible, so only choose this if you're sure you don't need to reference past searches. That's all there is to it. Visit search.yahoo.com history, sign in if asked, delete individual searches with the trash icon when you want targeted cleanup, or use Clear History or Clear All to wipe everything. Regularly reviewing and clearing your search history can help keep your account tidy and your browsing more private. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process quick and straightforward.